Hello friends, recently I got a call from my client asking if their website is available from my location because they had difficulty accessing their own website from Dubai. And I checked it from my location and the website was available. Additionally, I want to assure clients that it's available from other locations as well and made some tests using free online tools. And in this video, I want to show how to check if your website is available across different countries, different cities around the world using free tools. I checked with 4 different tools. First one is Optimia.com. If you scroll down the website, you will find this link, website availability test, and it will open this page. And here you enter your website URL and click test now button, and it will test your website from 18 different locations. And as you can see, my website webpa.com is available. Additionally, this website on bigger screen shows this map where you can see that it's available from different locations around the world. And it will show how fast your website loads from those different locations. And you can send this list or this report, this screenshot to your client and assure that it's available from multiple locations around the world. And second website is whereisitup.com. And again, it works in similar way. On homepage, you can enter your website URL. It can be homepage or it can be any internal pages, and then click check status button, and it will start checking your website from different locations. And in this first column, you will see that response code is 200, which shows that the website is accessible. And here are different cities around the world. Availability test was made. So closest location to Dubai, here I can see this is Izmir in Turkey, Karachi in Pakistan. Using this test, we can see that the website is available from different cities around the world. In Europe, in Asia, in America, in Australia, and in USA. So client can see that the website works for many cities without a problem. And next website is Openstatus.dev website, and it works in similar way. You put in your website URL and click submit button, and website will make tests. And here we can see that 200 response code is green colored. Our website is available from these locations, countries, and cities around the world. So as you can see, it's available in Sweden, France, Netherlands, Germany, United Kingdom, USA, Singapore, and Canada, Australia, Brazil, India, Japan, South Africa. So it shows that it's available in 28 regions and cities around the world. And the fourth tool is geopicker.com website. And you enter your website URL here, click go, and it will load your website from 6 different locations and provide you a screenshot of the page that it loads. We can see that it's available from Singapore, Brazil, Virginia, Ireland, California, and Australia. So it shows you that it's available from 6 different locations. So in total, you will get a report from around 40 or 50 different locations to show that website is available to your client, or to make sure that your website is available for other people located in different cities around the world. And for client's issue probably was the ISP issue, so it was temporarily blocked. After a while, the website worked without problem for the client. So this 4 different websites that you can test your website availability, and there are many other websites as well. that you can find using Google search probably. From time to time, you can check that your website is available from different cities. And if you want to make sure that your website is fast, then I have a free checklist that you can download from my website. It's a checklist. You can speed up your WordPress website and make it fast for your site visitors. You can get that checklist from my website, webpa.com/speed, and it has some simple steps that I use for optimizing WordPress websites that I am working with. You can use it as well. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos. Also, thank you for liking and sharing these videos as well. Bye.